Let me ask you a simple question. Are you sick and tired of the old J.O.B? Now, years and years ago, I learned what J.O.B stands for. Just over broke. You're never going to get anywhere with a standard job. You're always going to be living paycheck to paycheck. You're not really going to be able to succeed in life long term. If you want to succeed in life long term, you need to build a business. The trouble is that most people who try to build a business online, they fail miserably. As a matter of fact, probably about 90% of people fail miserably. If you're sick and tired of being in the 90%, you want to be in the 10% that actually succeed in building a real business online, you're going to need affiliate marketing revealed. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Cameron, and I am known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull them successfully. Well, me and Buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. My jokes, well, they're as stale as my potato chips that I have sitting here on my desk. Bring up potato chips, but they've been sitting around for a while, so they're kind of stale. Gotta throw them away. Go figure. But anyhow, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products. And they make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, seriously, Bart. Seriously? You know, this guy is so irritating. He does it all the time. He used to do it constantly. And he got switched off with this other guy who talks about loving crap. I don't know. The two of them are obsessed with crap. Okay, seriously. I don't know what their deal is. It's really annoying, though. Okay, anyhow, if you are new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip, my answer to the product later. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Letman. You see, you think I would be angry because Liz says the same thing all the time, every day also, but you know what? I got used to it, and it's nice hearing her praise me. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. So frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for affiliate marketing revealed. Now, this is from my friend Dawood Islam. Dawood's been doing this for a while, and he actually has been very successful at it. But you know what? Dawood didn't start out successful. And I knew him back when he was first starting out. I had already done a couple of launches. He had not done a launch yet, and his first couple of launches really didn't do very well. But he learned over time what to do. And what he's done here is basically distilled every single secret that he's learned to become a top 10% marketer on Warrior Plus and make $40,000 in a month. Okay, that's what he's showing you here. The secret to actually earning those six figures, that $10,000 plus per month that me and Dawood have both been able to do. And it's because of the fact that he's put this together, that you have that shortcut to finally get rid of the old J.O.B and actually start building a real income online. But if you don't want to have a real income online, feel free to ignore this and keep going with what you've been doing and making pretty much nothing. Now, I do want to give you a leg up when you pick this up for me. And so because of that, I'm going to give you something that is truly extraordinary. So first, I'm going to give you my very own bridge page. Now, what does that mean? One of the secrets that was going to teach you is that in order to really make good money online, you need to tell people about your bonuses. And if you're looking at this video on YouTube, just click the link below the video. If you're looking at it on my website, you can see below all the bonuses and more. Now, one of them is the bridge page. But beyond that, there's more than 20 additional courses that I'm giving you. But I'm not just going to give you these courses, because I really want you to have something that is going to help you. So in addition to giving you these courses, which you can learn from, obviously, all these courses, you can learn all kinds of strategies for making money online. I'm going to let you give these to other people. You can sell them. You can give them away. You can use them as a bonus. You can even create your own product around these courses. Take them, rename them, put on different images, and use them as your own. They are yours completely to use as you see fit. Now, if you pick up any upgrade worth at least $20, okay, because some of that was upgrades of like $1 or $2, and we're not giving it away for $1 or $2. I'm sorry, but you have to spend a little bit of money because we only make money when you buy something. We get a commission on whatever you buy. So, if you're buying something for $1 and we get like, after fees like 40 cents, I'm sorry, but that's just not worth giving you a bonus like this. But if you pick up any upgrade worth at least $20, then I'm going to give you 100 ebook covers that you can customize for free and use them together with these bonuses. That means that you'll be able to easily turn them into something that looks beautiful and completely unique. You don't have to worry about trying to customize these things and saying to yourself, okay, but everybody else has the same things. Well, first of all, I've never given these away before. That's number one. These are brand new. Okay, I should have led with that. These are brand new courses that I have not given to anybody before, never seen them before, but you're also going to be able to customize these things easily with this additional bonus. If you pick up any upgrades worth at least $50, okay, then in addition to these 20 plus courses that you get to sell, give away, use as a bonus, use them as the basis for your own product. You literally have carte blanche. The only thing you can't do with them is basically give away the giveaway rights. So, you can't say that you can't do what I'm doing. I'm allowed to give it to you with giveaway rights, but you can't give away giveaway rights, but you can give them away as bonuses, which is really, really valuable. Okay, but what if you pick up any upgrade worth at least $50, then it's not going to be 20 plus courses. Pick up any upgrades worth at least $50. I'm going to give you 200 courses in total. Okay, on top of these 20, I'm going to give you 200 additional courses that you can sell, give away, use as a bonus. Okay, and that's on top of the 100 ebook covers that you get with a $20 purchase. You spend up to at least $50 on upgrades, you get 200 courses from me. Okay, plus the 20 ebook covers, plus my bridge page, plus the 20 courses that you see below this video. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the members area real quick over here. You can see here what it looks like. Basically, this is going to be the secrets that Dawood has learned in order to build a successful business online. Bottom line, he's going to show you everything you need to know in order to do this. Okay, he's going to show you start to finish exactly what is involved in building your business online and making it into a huge success. And he has done this. Okay, I remember when he started, it wasn't that long ago. It was like less than 2 years ago that Dawood started. He was a nothing. And not to say that he's not a good guy. He's a very nice guy. I'm not saying that, but I'm saying as far as his numbers were concerned, he was absolutely nothing. And now he's grown into one of the biggest names online because of the fact that he has figured out these secrets and he's sharing them with you in this course. That is something that is extraordinary and it's something that real people can do. Okay, it's not something that, oh yeah, this guy has been online for 20 years, he knows what he's doing. Okay, yeah, look, I get it. Somebody's been online for a long time, maybe you figure the ship has sailed. That was started after I did. Okay, he did not have his first launch until after I had, I think, 2 or 3 launches under my belt, and I was already starting to build a name for myself. Dawood started after that, and he still has become one of the biggest names in the industry. And this is where he's going to show you everything he learned. And again, you're going to get a bonus from me that is second to none. So let's see if I'm going to give it to him as a product creator or not.
You the man!
Yeah, seriously, you the man. I really do like this thing a lot. I think it's great. I think you should grab it. You are absolutely going to love it.